Okay, so today we're going to be doing a couple things to the racing arcade. Got this angle aluminum here that I'm going to install as trim pieces on the edge of the arcade. So maybe, if this is a little rough, which it's not, maybe on the side I cut, but hopefully it will keep, people from brushing their leg and, scratching their leg or something. So we're going to install these. Yeah, we're going to install them kind of like that, just to kind of give it a nice little finishing touch. That's what we're going to do. We're going to install these on both sides. Wanted to add that these aluminum angle pieces I got them at Home Depot for, maybe like $5 a piece, so very affordable. Nice way to add some nice little finishing touches, trim to your projects if you need it. It's not going to replace like T-molding trim, but anywhere you have kind of some harsh angles and stuff, this works pretty good. I never gave the seat a proper cleaning after I got it off Facebook Marketplace, so figured while I'm down here, I should give it a decent scrub.